Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. said, "Injustice anywhere is a threat to justice everywhere." And society as a whole pays the price for injustice, whether it be broken homes, crime, or despair. Keeping the doors open to legal aid for the poor represents a major challenge for the justice system. Legal Services of Southern Missouri provides legal aid to low-income citizens with civil matters that range from domestic violence, to landlord-tenant, to public benefits, to consumer law issues. These individuals and families have no place to turn. Their lives are torn apart. Without legal aid, the legal problems of low-income people would go unresolved. Without legal aid, the poor would never be able to access justice because they simply cannot afford it. The legal aid provided to low-income citizens helps them to become more economically stable and a positive force in our society, which in turn creates additional dollars for the community. When individuals or families cannot afford access to our justice system, it further compounds the problems in our community, whether they're domestic violence, homelessness, unemployment, or illiteracy.
Legal Services of Southern Missouri covers an area of 43 counties that provides legal services to the very poorest Missourians. Legal Services obtains its funding, first of all, from the federal government and recently from the state government due to a filing fee increase last year. And it also receives money from donations by attorneys. Attorneys can provide services free through the pro bono plan also. It's essential that legal services be supported from all of these resources and that continue into the future. Legal Services will provide services to the poor only to the extent it is supported by the bar and by the public. Poor people often are illiterate people. They are people who do not have access to the courts. The courts are a very complex system that can be frightening to them. We need to do everything we can to continue to support legal services, because if our legal system does not provide justice to all, it certainly will not provide justice at all.
If a free society cannot help the many who are poor, it cannot save the few who are rich. Legal Services of Southern Missouri is a nonprofit organization that needs your financial support and volunteer time to further its mission. All financial gifts are tax deductible.